Based on this denial of the good secretary, Mr. Bernardo, you continue to stand by your affidavit. Is that right?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Would you like to add? Because obviously it's his word against yours.
Mr. Chair, I have already signed my affidavit, so I affirm and I will stand by it po.
Okay, thank you.
Ako po, I deny those allegations. Wala pong katotohanan, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Lahat po from the communication to nag-deliver to kay ES daw po, na wala naman po akong personality kay Executive Secretary. That time, in 2024, baka yun yung papasok po ho kami sa DepEd. Wala ho. I mean, kahit nakakausap po sa Executive Secretary, hindi po. And sa deliveries po, 15, wala po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Would you care to perhaps give your own understanding of bakit ka therefore sinasangkot dito?
Actually, malaking pala.
Siguro, sabi mo kasi hindi totoo.
Yes
so
po.
I'm sure nashock ka.
Yes po.
I'm sure
Totoo
naisip
po
mo, teka, bakit ako pinupuntirya rito?
Totoo po yun, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
So bakit kaya? Anong sagot mo?
Medyo palaisipan po sa akin, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Dahil kilala ko po si Yusek Bernardo, Yusek siya, Yusek po ko, and from previous yung na sinabi niya na kung paano kami nagkakilala. Pero hindi ho kami nag-away, hindi ho kami nagdebate. Wala akong makitang rason na kung bakit ako po ini-implicate. Even sa akin po. And sa pamilya ko, naging malaking palaisipan po na kung bakit po na-implicate po rito. Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
You're telling this committee that Mr. Bernardo is a liar.
Doon po sa allegation niya sa akin, yun lang po yung kaya ko pong sagutin.
Yes, that he is lying.
Opo, Mr.
That he is a liar with respect to
Doon po sa...
the allegations against you.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Pag tinignan natin yung GAA, lalabas doon yung sinabi niya, mahirap ang invento ng figure, lalabas doon yung 2.85 billion from the unprogrammed appropriations. I'm not addressing this to you. I'm just saying na paano mag-iimbento ng numero si Yusek Bernardo. Mahirap yun. Eksakto Pag tinignan natin yung General Appropriations Act at yung SARO na na-release, may listahan ng items. Eksakto, 2.85 billion.
We go to Mr. Ngu. You too have been identified in the affidavit of Mr. Bernardo. Would you care to clarify or explain what is your role according to Mr. Bernardo? Please go ahead.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I absolutely deny all the allegations made by Yusek Bernardo. That's the reason why I filed the case against Yusek on defamatory insinuations. For this, I invoke the sub judice rule because it's pending already with the appropriate courts.